Hello and welcome to Baby's Boo World. It's time for another fun filled story packed with learning and laughter. Parents, let's dive in together. Bobo Bear was a big, cuddly brown bear who lived in the heart of Sunnywood Forest. He had soft, shiny fur, a round belly, and the warmest smile you could imagine. Everyone in the forest loved Bobo because he was always kind, always ready to help, and always shared his honey jars when someone was hungry. One bright morning, Bobo woke up to the sounds of birds singing outside his cozy little den. He stretched his arm, yawned loudly, and blinked his bright brown eyes. Ah, another normal day in Sunnywood Forest. Bobo said to himself he didn't know something very special was about to happen. Because today was not just another day, it was Bobo's birthday. Far away in a sunny clearing, all of Bobo's forest friends had gathered together. They were whispering and tiptoeing around, making sure Bobo didn't hear a single thing. Squeaky the squirrel bounced excitedly from branch to branch. Shh, everyone, we must keep it a secret, she whispered. Tilly the turtle slowly carried a basket of wildflowers on her back. I am going as fast as I can, she said with a smile. Flap the bluebird flew in circles above them, carrying shiny ribbons made from long blades of grass. This party is going to be the best birthday surprise ever. She chirped happily. All the animals nodded. They loved Bobo dearly. He had helped each of them in so many ways, fixing nests, finding food, keeping them safe. Now it was their turn to do something wonderful for him. The animals began decorating the forest clearing. Squeaking hung colorful flowers on tree branches, making them look like balloons. Flap tied ribbons around the trunks, and Tilly arranged daisies in a circle that looked just like a birthday crown. Even Grumpy, the hedgehog, who was usually a little, well, Grumpy was busy staking shiny pebbles into the shape of a birthday cake. Hum, don't expect me to smile. He muted, but everyone could see the twinkle in his eyes. By the time they were finished, the clearing looked magical. The trees sparkled with ribbons, flowers filled the air with sweet smells, and in the middle stood a big wooden table waiting for the most important part, the birthday cake. No party for Bobo would be complete without honey. Everyone knew that honey was his favorite treat in the whole wide world. Buzz the bee and her buzzing family flew in carrying golden honeycombs. They carefully poured the golden honey into a big bowl. Then Squeaky adds nuts, Flap added berries, and Tilly added sweet meadow herbs. Together, they baked a sticky, shiny, golden brown honey cake. When it was done, the cake sparkled in the sunlight. It smelled so delicious that even Grumpy, the hedgehog, licked his lips. He said Buzz proudly, is a cake fit for a bear? Bobo wandered through the forest that morning, humming a little tune. He stopped by the river to catch a fish, waved to the butterflies, and sniffed at some clover flowers. Strange, Bobo thought. Usually my friends are out and about by now. Where could they all be? He looked for Squeaky in her favorite oak tree, but she wasn't there. He peeked at the pond where Tilly liked to swim, but she wasn't there either. Even Flap the bluebird's nest was empty. Hmm? Bobo scratched his head. I suppose they are just busy today. He felt a teeny bit lonely. He didn't know that all his friends were secretly waiting for him in the decorated clearing. Finally, Flap the bluebird swooped down to find Bobo. Bobo, come quick! I need your help in the clearing, she chirped. Of course, Flap, said Bobo kindly, and followed her when he They are the love and friendship of those who care about you. If you like this story, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Baby's Boo World. See you in the next story. Bye bye.